All right, in this case, we're going to be solving for a term number. In this example, we have 13, 17, 21, and eventually this pattern will reach 113, and we're trying to figure out when that happens. So there's the first number, second number, third number, and then this one we're figuring out. We'll call it n for now. And this is a solve for n kind of problem. Now, to start us out here, we're just going to use the arithmetic sequence equation. Un equals u1 d n minus 1. And in this case, this is a value at the nth spot. So 113, that's un. That's going to replace the un on this side of the equation. 113. u1 is 13. And the difference between these is 4 each time. This is a plus 4 pattern. Now, n, we don't know what it is, so we leave it as n, and then minus 1. Now, in this case, we're not calculating so much. We're doing the solving steps, and that's because n is sort of embedded with all of these other with all these other numbers. And so we're not doing PEMDAS in the same kind of way. We're actually going in reverse, trying to undo the steps to solve for n. So we're going to start actually undoing subtraction, which there is subtraction. However, that's actually a parenthesis step because it's in parentheses. So we're going to undo addition, and that represents this 13. That's a positive 13. Solving for this, we're going to subtract 13 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. And get my ruler out here. Okay, if I rewrite what happens when we do that, 100, and then the 13, this cancels out. Positive 4, n minus 1. So again, there was no initial subtraction. That was a parenthesis step. There, we undid addition, no division. We're going to undo the multiplication. So this 4 next to the parenthesis represents multiplication. And to undo that, I'm going to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Those cancel out from the problem. 100 divided by 4 is 25. And then n minus 1 is the only thing left. And I can drop the parentheses because they no longer do anything. And there's no exponents, so when we finish the parentheses, so we're kind of back at the start here dealing with the subtraction now that there's no parentheses. All right, we're going to add 1. And that means that n, 26, n is 26, or 26 is n. So this was the 26th number in this pattern.